Hello my beautiful people. I'm back today with another video like the one I did a few months back called 21 Lessons I Learned in 21 Years. You guys really loved that video and it's time for another one. There is a big difference between being adventurous and doing something that's dangerous or that's really risky. You see, we romanticize, I hope I said that right, but you get the point that it's so great to take risks and be adventurous, and it is, but there is a limit to that. And I promise you, 95% of the time, your intuition will tell you, but my stupid ass didn't listen to my intuition. Another huge lesson I learned while moving out, and this is really a life lesson, don't be afraid to ask for help. Things will get overwhelming. It is a big change. It is a lot of responsibilities. It is a transition to adulting. So don't be afraid to ask for help, whether it's from your friends or your family, or even resources that you have at your school or in your city, in your community. Ask for help. When you're going to live alone, and especially far away, a lot of the times you're going to end up by yourself. All you're going to have is yourself, because you might meet some not so great people. You might not meet your people. Your family is far away, so you don't want to be a burden and make them worry for you while they really can't do much. So you're really gonna have just you at some points, and that's not a bad thing. It's not a bad thing if you really learn to love spending time alone, if you really love your own presence, if you learn to love yourself, if you actually put internal work to become the best version of you. That isn't so bad. I'm just giving you a little warning, if you would say, so that you really invest in yourself, because there will be times where all you have is you. Another big one is don't take every opportunity. And as much as this might seem totally contradictory to what you hear a lot of the times, especially on social media, take every opportunity. Don't miss out. Trust me, some opportunities aren't meant to be taken. Some opportunities may need you to shift your life around, or make some sacrifices or give up some things. And really, this is your own personal choice, just as long as you self-reflect. Self-reflect on a lot of values. Do your research on whatever opportunity you're going for. I have, let me tell you, I took this opportunity that I thought was going to change my life hugely, and I ended up in a cult. And it was horrible. It was literally the beginning of my severe anxiety and my depression. So no, not every opportunity is a good one, because this life, and I'm not tearing up, by the way, my lenses are hurting me, but I was gonna say, like, this is a harsh world, and not every opportunity is necessarily a good one or the right one. I have a lot more lessons. You best believe there's more than, I don't know, 5, 6 lessons that I learned while living alone. I'm 21 and I started living alone at 17, so it was a whole lot of growth. I definitely want to do a part 2. If you want that, let me know in the comments below. And that happens often. And I'll see you guys next time. I can't wait.